maybe that's why we had our heads in the clouds. Thought we had it all figured out, planning to fly away to escape everything on the ground. But like a plane up in space, we slowly drifted away, and every plan that we made